Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Cabanancelas Philippine Life. Today I will give you update about our Bermuda Sods. What's happening here in our backyard. This is now guys. So it's raining also today. This is the way they're planting it. So it's raining guys. So this is the Bermuda Sods. So they're using that one to tamper it. It's raining. Pirang square meter ini kuya na dineliver? 400. 200. Tapos may another 200 pa. So this one need to be studied also.
Pasaway na ba ito? Pasaway.
So this is the kid of one of the workers. So it's raining guys, so they stopped working. So this is it guys. This is 200 square meter of sods. So maybe next week there's another 200 square meter to be delivered. So this is new plant. All this. Shandrik is playing under the rain. So it's so rainy guys. You see the mountain. It's like you cannot see the green. It's like mist. So we are also weeding from in the front. So that is the update of our backyard. And also guys, today we bought lemon and lime tree. So Shandrik is playing. Shandrik! You stand up! It's so dirty there. So the kids is playing. So this is the pomegranate. Pomegranate tree. I cannot pronounce it. I will put it on the screen guys. What is this plant? So this is dwarf. We just bought today. And also this is the lime tree. And this is the lemon tree. And this is the we called it here in the Philippines kiat. So small oranges. So they starting now to bloom some flower and ready to fruit. So have also here. So we bought this today. And of course this is my calamansi, the three of them. So this one guys, we were going to plant this one on the at that area, the backside there. And also guys, we have the rice husk. This one. So I'm planning to put this one on vegetable and also in what do you call this? In my pineapple. I will put this one mixing with the soil. So I get 3 sacks on my dad's house. So that's it. And this one guys, our front yard. And as you can see, we're weeding here. So I used the umbrella because it's raining. And Shandrik and I is removing the weeds. So we're using some plastic. Show us. So this is the weeds guys that we remove. on this area. So, see, we need to remove that. So, again, this is our side that need to be sodded. So, hopefully next week, uh, the next 200 square meter will be delivered. So, so that one, guys. So, it's so smashy here because the water is not flowing. So this is the sad. This is the sads usually, you know. So it's like this. It is the way here in the Philippines how we just harvested. I don't know what's the side. I think this is 25 by 25. So it's a square. I'm trying to remove it. So it's just like that. So and lay it here like that. So it's pieces. So need this one to be planted because it's starting now to yellow, not green. So because it is put it on a sack, so of course too much hot. So this one today they are almost maybe done. Then they will come back next week when the sod is ready. So that is guys. And also on our lower area you can see that they put also Bermuda sods here. So that area we have a frog. There's a frog. So this one also will be sodded. So this is my pineapple. In this CHB, we will put their lining. Same like those. So that is our plan. So the purpose of that CHB, so when the because we will putting the Bermuda sod between that beds and this one. So the Bermuda will be stopped going to the pineapple. So that's it. So how the barrel, this the one how it lay. So this is the way we planted here. So it's just like one by one. Need to lay down. There's a lot of small pieces. They will use that also. So this is, uy, Sandrik ha?
Kita sa anong kamera?
Yeah. So this is how Kuya buried it. That. So because it's just like this, so need to be buried on the soil. So Kuya is doing like this, pressing it. And Kuya is the one laying down it, putting it one by one. So like that. And they just collecting the small pieces because they are also planting it there, that area. So this is small pieces. So it's just like that, guys. They will plant it here, same like this. Then throwing it, so they put it some idea. They can plant it like this. So that is the small pieces. So like that. Apple. So that's it. So okay, guys. I think that's it. Our update for today for our backyard. And again, thank you guys for following our channel, for always for the likes, and to those who hasn't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. My hands is so dirty. So thank you guys and see you on the next video. Love you. God bless. Bye bye. We're out.